Hi everyone. Well, lockdown has sent me back into the kitchen, but it's not meatballs and mince this time. I've taken to baking. I find I need a snack to go with my endless cups of tea and coffee. So today I made chocolate brownies, but it made me think, why not get others to join me with the baking? So we've decided in September that we will be running the Great Travel Daily Bake-Off. We will set a challenge each week for something for you to bake. Then, if you can send in your photos of your creations with any tips or secret ingredients or family variations that make yours better, include those as well. At the end of the week, we will choose a winner and they will get a $50 gift voucher for the best bake-off. So good luck. Look forward to seeing what you come up with and enjoy those sweet snacks.